Hello, I guess we are live. Hello, hello from rainy Washington State. I guess it's not rainy today, it's okay state today. We had a little bit of sun for a little bit, and now it's kind of overcasty but not raining. How's the weather where you are? It's Monday. It's Monday, and hold on, I'm gonna just invite some people to our live. This and this. I guess that's it. Hey, sorry. So if you're watching live today, put the hashtag live. If it's in replay, when the live little red thingy on the top of your screen is not saying live anymore, then you're watching on replay. And still comment replay, and I will still say hi to you. If you have any questions, I can answer them for you, and just say a personal hi to you and thank you for watching. I know it's a weekday, so probably not a lot of people are gonna be able to watch it in live, but hopefully some of you might be able to watch in replay. Somebody just tried to call me. It's okay. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you I got my package with November kudos, and tell you about our presenters kit too, so you guys are aware what we have going on and how you can save some money on great makeup. So let's start. So this month's kudos is a palette of 4 eyeshadows. They're very pigmented and primer infused, and the mascara. You can choose any mascara. You can use regular Epic, which comes in black, brown, or waterproof, or you can choose 4D mascara. And the palette of 4 like this, it comes this, and you can build your own 4 colors. You choose any colors we have available. So I believe it's 53 or 56 colors, something like that. So there is a lot of colors to choose from. So I got my package today. It comes in anniversary packaging, so it has sparkly purple on top, and you can actually choose your packaging. If you're not a big fan of purple sparkles, you can choose the regular. So that's the palette I had before. That's the colors I had before. So you can build your own 4 colors, and we're gonna build one today. And I chose regular mascara, Epic mascara, because it also comes in anniversary packaging. And mascara itself, look at this tube. Whoa, sparkles. Who doesn't love sparkles? Lift your hand if you don't like sparkles. I do. I like sparkles. So it's really cool. This is what it is. It's a black mascara. You hear the sound? That means it's not dried up, and that's how mascara should sound. When you have your mascara for a while, if it doesn't do this anymore, it means it's dry. and you need to switch it to a new one. Okay, let's go. So I opened my palette. Oh, and it comes, the kudos comes with this cosmetic bag. I didn't even look inside. It's still new. So it's just like one. It looks pretty roomy. Very nice quality, sturdy baggie. Good for travel, or you can give it as a gift to someone if you already have enough makeup bags. It's it has Younique logo. So that comes as a gift, and all the set of the whole kudos set is $65. So regularly the 4 eyeshadow palette is $56, I believe, and mascara is $24 or $29 depending on which mascara you choose. You do the math. 56 plus 20 would be 66 plus 4. That's already like $70 or 74 at least, and you're getting it for 65 total, and cosmetic bag as a gift. So that's a good deal. It's a 20% savings and a gift bag on top of it. So let's build the palette. Oh, I also, let me show you what I also ordered. I ordered the Brow Obsession palette. I haven't had it before, so I decided to go for it this month. Comes like this. And I ordered the lighter one because I'm not a big fan of the dark eyebrows. So, but we have 3 different colors available for blondes, for brunettes, and for dark hair, black hair. So this is like wax, and that's the eyebrow color, and lighter color for, like, you can do the middle and the ends darker, and the pink one for underline and highlight. So there we go. That's what I ordered. And I was running out of my eyebrow pencil, which is really convenient when you're on the go. I have it usually in my purse to fix my eyebrows. So I ordered brown like I did before. It comes with this pencil on this end and a little brow spoolie on this end. Yep, okay, that's what I got. And I got a whole bunch of colors. I don't know, I got more than 4, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's build the palette. Should we go for this pinkish purplish? Okay, let's build something like pretty. So I have this color. It's called Gifted. So it comes in a package like this. And what you do is pull it out of the packaging. It has magnetic back. Here's the front. And right here, see, it's magnetic, it sticks. So you just put it in there. When you run out, you can just push it with something from the back, and there you go. And it comes with a little sticky, so you can put it on this side and you'll know which color it is. If somebody asked you which color you used, or if you wanted to order the same color but you didn't remember what it was called, you will have the little sticky telling you which color it was. Actually, I'm not gonna take time opening all of them, but I have, let me just show you what colors I ordered. I ordered this. It's kind of light purple lavender. It's called Crafty. This one is kind of goldish, golden metallic. Alive. I ordered this one. It's called Ostentatious. This brown one, it's called Gullible. Gingerly. Have Lively. I really like this one. So beautiful. I have Witty. I have Discreet. It's really light and it's good for base color. What you call them, Evelina?
Highlights. Wait.
No,
what?
когда ты первый цвет ставишь.
Oh, base color.
Yeah, that's what I said, base color. Blending color, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And I have this another golden one, Fanatical. And the last one is really fun, blue one. Thankful. My daughter really wanted me to, yes, blending. My daughter wanted me to order this blue one for fun. So that's what I got. I know I have a lot of, I will build my palette of 4 and then the rest of them I will put in this case. I ordered just a case from Amazon for the rest of the colors. It's a cool one. So that's where I'll put the rest of the colors. And remember, a couple of days ago I posted about princesses, which princess is your favorite, and I said to vote because it's very important. We had something in mind, me and Evelina. Evelina is full of ideas, so let me get her into the view. Get closer, Evelina.
Hello.
Here's Evelina. So what idea did you have?
So we put all the princesses that you guys put in the comments into a bowl. There was a lot of Ariels, actually, I will say. And we're gonna pick one out, and Mommy, she's gonna do a makeup look with it, and you guys are gonna vote if you like it or not. So, yeah.
So it's gonna be a princess-inspired look.
Mhm. And we have all the princesses in here, and I'm gonna
all the votes. I'm gonna mix them. Evelina's not gonna see what she's picking. Okay, go, Evelina.
What did we get?
Elsa! There was only one Elsa, I believe.
That was Ella.
Our Ella voted for Elsa. So, well, we'll do Elsa as a pick, and then there was a lot of votes for Ariel. So I think we can do another day. We can do Ariel inspired look. So, hi Lynn. So maybe tomorrow we'll pop on and do Elsa look.
Yay!
We have blue now, and I have some whites, and yeah, we'll figure it out. But we'll have a Elsa inspired look, and one of the days we'll do Ariel inspired look. So I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We had fun. Thanks for sticking to the end, and stay tuned for our princess inspired looks. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me messages, comment under this post, and I will be glad to help you. Bye!